Yo, my Amazon haul is so big I can't even fit it all in the video. So, Leset, I don't know if you guys watch her. If you don't, I'm sure you do. She's amazing. She recommended these little pots, and they are individually wrapped, which I thought was great. And they are double walled, meaning this is a protection for the inside, so nothing can get through that, plus you have the outside wall. And these are gonna be for some custom colors, because I have some that I wanna do for Halloween that I think will be really pretty, and I really want to do it in here. So I picked some of these up. I think it was like $13, and I think there's 50 jars in here. Yes, a set of 50 right here, and I will link it below. Also, excuse the paint, and it's like all in my nails as well. Okay, so I got that. And then I got these bad boys. So these are 10-gram jars. Probably should have opened them. So these are the clear jars, and the reason I got these you'll see, but since I reorganize, I get these from Michael's. I also have my crystals. I just reorganize everything. So they come in containers like this. We'll zoom out. And they come with 30. And I think like on sale, they're like $12 normally, and then they go on sale, but they're not that cheap. And so I was hunting Amazon for essentially 10-gram jars, and I found some because I want to add some glitter. They're not 100% the same, but I personally think they're close enough. Like, they still give me the same kind of vibe. Does that make sense? They're just slightly different. So I'm excited to get these. I got 2 packs, and each pack came with 40. And I believe they were $11 for 40 versus $12 for 30. But I have to check. Again, I'll link it below because my memory. Alright, so the audio got messed up for some reason. I don't know what happened, but on the next 2 things, you're going to see my hands go and be probably not talking about anything productive. So I got these nail glue sticks. Now, I always have a problem with my glue, like, sealing. So I went ahead and got these guys. I found this was the cheapest price for 40, but like 10 was like almost the price as the 40, so I just got the 40. Do I need 40? No, absolutely not. But I got these because I'm trying to do tips now to see if I like them. They're all right, but I do find I need glue every once in a while. And I also picked up these full coverage tips. As you guys know, instead of a practice hand, I like to do it on my hand. And so I picked these up, and I also thought maybe I can do some Après dupes with them. So I'm going to give that a try. I did pick up the Après system, so I'm looking forward to getting that in. But okay, let's get into the fun stuff. I am so excited. Everyone has these. Un momento. Clearly, I was not ready to film a video. Oh my God, I love that they are individually wrapped. Oh my God, this is so perfect. Okay, so these are all different foil colors. I think it came with 12. And I think it's 2 packs. I think it, yeah. Or they're just all slightly different. I don't really want to open these. Is that bad? It's that leaf foil, you know, when you like think you're gonna touch it and then you look at it and it like disintegrates, but it looks amazing on your nails. Okay, I can't commit. I can't commit to opening it. I know, I just don't want to sit here and open them all. So there's red, peachy, pink, green, blue, purple, rose gold, light rose gold, silver. Can we just say what I said silver was? That's because I literally was looking at the next one. So we have gold, silver, and black. I'm really excited for the black one because we have Halloween. So black foil, I mean, come on, like how exciting is that? These are not from Amazon. These are from Aliexpress. This is like $100 worth of glitter here. Yeah. So I'm gonna have a whole separate video featuring these because these are amazing and I cannot wait to get into them. So this will be its own separate video. Don't worry, I'm not leaving you hanging, I promise. I told you this one was a good one. I've just been on a spending craze, so, you know. Okay, the reason I got these, which it's somewhere in here, is because, yeah, okay. You know everyone is doing fall nails right now because it is Wednesday, September 30th, and everyone has the beautiful leaves, and I did not plan ahead accordingly to getting these in time for fall. Funny thing is, my last Amazon haul that went up today, or yesterday, I was like, yeah, I ordered Halloween and Christmas stuff in June and it was there in July, and here I am in fall and did not do it correctly. So it's fine. So I picked this up on Amazon and it came in a pack of 7 and I think it was about $1 a case, and I know on AliExpress it can be like 50 cents, but I don't think the markup was terrible for everything that I got because I don't have majority of these, let's be real here. So we have all the leaves here, which I just made blurry. Obviously you have your coppery, orangey leaves, red, gold, champagne, brown. So I'm excited to get into these. And I've already dropped them and some have already spilled out, but it's fine. Next we have these kind of scales. Everyone did mermaid scales with these, so that's kind of like what I think of, but I'm thinking like leaves with this. Like leaf petals with these guys. You know what I mean? Like, you know. Okay. We have some all silvery ones, silver holographic. So we do have some butterflies, moons, hearts, diamonds, hexagons. We have some Mickeys, so I could totally do a Disney World one. If you didn't know, I love Disney World. I got engaged in Disney World because I love it so much, so I like Disney. Umbrellas, stars, triangles, circles, hexagons, smaller, and then these little flowers. So really, like this mix is really good. And then just like the leaves, we got the butterflies, and this was hot this summer, and I actually found some when I was organizing some glitter, because I just reorganized everything, which you will see eventually, I promise. Maybe it'll go up. No, I'm doing 13 nights about. I don't know when you're gonna see it. Maybe November. I can't commit though, because I filmed so many videos ahead. Love this, love this. We're not done, there's 7. These are hearts, and I was like, okay, so obviously I wanted the leaves, and then I saw these guys, which are like the scaly looking ones, and then the butterflies, and then I was thinking hearts for Valentine's Day. So I actually did think this one through. It wasn't just like, oh, let me grab this, it's fine, I just won't use other things. No, I thought about it, and I'm going to keep them in these cases. I did buy all those little containers, but that's for the stuff that you saw earlier, not this. Second to last one. I know, we like 10 minutes in, I'm sorry. This is a mixture of all different shapes in here. So let's see. Maybe the silver one you can see. So there are hexagons, some stars in there, same with the gold. So these do have some other shapes in them. And I really like that. Then you have like this small holographic pink. I have my camera a little bit dimmer. Is that worse or better? I'm not quite sure because it's really dark out. So I really like this, and I like that it's one color. I don't know if people like to work in one color. I like to work in one color usually when I'm adding stuff. So like if I have green here and I wanted to add some like lighter green, I have green hearts in here, and then I have these. So like I like that it's separated by color. And then I got these guys as well. So these again are just foils, and they're super, super pretty. They're the same type of leaf foil that I have in these packs, but in stuff like this. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna regret this, but look at this like aqua green blue. I love that. I actually also like that I can just grab this out if I know I want to add like a colored leaf, if I don't have one of those open. So I really like that. Y'all, we almost done, sort of. Okay, I have said this before, I want to bring products that y'all can actually use, since I am a do-it-yourselfer, and I guess a lot of people have trouble Googling where to get things. As I say in my description, I don't want to tell you where I get it because I don't want anyone to get in trouble, including myself. So I'm going to try different products on my channel and hopefully kind of work into consumer grade products that can perform like professional. So, you know, I love me some builder in a bottle Jimmy Gel. So I got IBD Building Gel, and this is again a builder in a bottle. And I'm actually going to do separate videos on the next couple items, because I think it's kind of important to do them separately. Oh yeah, definitely a builder in a bottle consistency. It has that like thick gel. It's not as runny as Jimmy Gel, but it does have some movement. So I'm excited to play with this, and I'll probably do that sooner than later because I'm being boring. So I did get that bad boy. Next up, I got this IBD clear gel. I have seen such good reviews on this. This is 2 ounces, so this is 56 grams. And then I'll give you my dirty top for this. This bad boy is 50 milliliters, so 1.7 ounces. And then this is 2 ounces. So I will go ahead and put the price difference. This was like $18, I believe, and I think this is somewhere like 36. So it's like half the price and you get more. So we'll see. I just got clear for this one, but this one, the next product. Okay, this is the last product, I promise. So I wanted to test out the different Mia Secret cover pinks. Y'all know I love me to put some pink on my nails. You know. So I got Cover Tan, and this will be its own video as well to compare. This is Candy Pink, and it's all Forma Gel, and this is Cover Blush. I'm thinking Candy Pink is right up my alley, which may be a little translucent one for like my pink one step, we know. So I literally don't even think I can fit everything that I got in the video. Is this good enough? I don't know where to go. Okay, yep. All right, we made it. Just, it's fine. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.